All right. Find the measure. It says of each angle, but I'm only asking you to tell me 2, 7, and 8. But the best way to do this is to just fill out all of the angles. They gave me this angle. It's 53. So first I'm going to do the vertical angle because that's the easiest. That's 53. Okay? Now, the rest of the angles, so this one, these are a straight line. So these have to add up to 180. So I'm going to do 180 minus 53. So 127 is angle 2, and also the vertical angle here. All right, now I like to do alternate exterior. Those are easy for me to find. Alternate exterior angles are equal. So for angle 2, the alternate exterior is this angle way over here. That's 127. Now I'm going to do the vertical angle that's opposite. That's 127. And then these other angles are 53. So I was asked about angle 2. It's 127 degrees. Angle 7 is also 127 degrees. And angle 8 is 53 degrees. So once you find one, you subtract it from 180 and then fill in the rest. So try the next two and then check your work. Okay, the measure of each angle. I'll do these in 2 different colors to make it a little bit easier. So they gave me this angle, it's 154. So its vertical angle is 154, and that one was asked for. Okay, so now I'm going to subtract that from 180. 7, 6. So the other measure is 26 degrees. So see how I did these 4 angles up here? Now I can do the ones down here by using angle relationships. So I like alternate exterior, easy for me to find. Angle 1 is 26. Angle 7 is 26. They're alternate exterior. That means angle 4 is 26. Go back to the red. That means these are 154 degrees. I can fill in what they asked for. They asked for angle 1, angle 5, and angle 8. Oh, is there no 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the missing angle was angle 8, and that will be 154 degrees. Last one in this little set, find the measure of each. They gave me 65. The vertical angle is 65. Gonna do the alternate exterior because that's easy for me to find. That's gonna be 65. And then its vertical is 65. So those are all of my 65s. Now, what's the other one? 180 minus 65 will be 115. The rest of them are 115. What was asked for? Angle 1, angle 2, angle 5, and angle 8. So the next set I want you to do on your own. You probably had to watch the video for these because it was new. See if you can do 4, 5, and 6, and then check your work afterwards.